You're standing in line, a QR code is right in front of you, and you're stuck unlocking your phone, opening the camera, and hunting for the right option. Meanwhile, everyone behind you is waiting. What most people don't realize is that your iPhone 17 has a single button that can handle moments like this instantly, if you set it up the right way. Here's how to change what the action button does. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Action button. Swipe left or right until you reach Controls, then tap Choose a control beneath it. From the list of available shortcuts, select the action you want. For example, under the Capture category, tap Scan Code. Once selected, Scan Code becomes the default function of the action button. After making a selection, tap the back key at the top left to save your changes. Now, when you long press the action button, the QR code scanner opens immediately, letting you scan codes without opening any apps. You can switch the action button to a different shortcut anytime by going back to the same menu and choosing another control. And that's it. A button this powerful shouldn't go to waste. If this helped you make your iPhone 17 faster and more convenient, give it a like or watch another tutorial to unlock more smart shortcuts. Thanks for watching.